Lady Saw come out and she have remorse. So she felt nasty. Eh? I'm a son that beat up the woman. And morals do not have no morality.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Kissy Unstoppable. Yes, me say dancehall get festive. If festive, the female them get festive. So people, this is Jamaican Carlos and he's defending Lady Saw, Marian Hall, aka Lady Saw, and he must say the female them in the dancehall no have no morals. But guys, Carlos go strong for Lady Saw. He might go strong for Lady Saw. But guys, before me take on all over to the video, you know what to do already. Just like and share and comment down below. And remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and put on the post notification so you know each time I upload a video. I can't wait for watch the video. I can't wait for you to see the video with me, because dancehall festive bad 2022, it's a hit.
Big up Lady Saw. We have to big up Lady Saw, Marian Hall. Big up Lady Saw. To God be the glory, sister. Somebody have to say it. The lady is filled with remorse. And she coming out and she saying the things. Sometimes people don't have to hear it, you know, people. You don't have to be no Christian, no Rasta, no Muslim, no Hindu, or none of that for no righteousness. Right is right and wrong is wrong. You don't have to be no Christian and go to church for no righteousness, people. Immorality is plague in Jamaica. Immorality is plaguing us. Nobody have no morals again. Anything nice and decent and neat and sweet and peaceful and joyous, happy, people don't want that. That's morality. Dress good and, you know, be discreet with the sexual life and, you know, lock up your leg and don't show your butt. That's morality. That not sell at Jamaica. And that them say, boofer. But anything for dash away. And I say, hey, see in between me leg here, look how my body shake. Go wind up and grind up and bump and grind. Let me tell the people from there, they want to do a video, you know, about we artists them at Jamaica. Because you know me always come out and me talk about gun music, and gun music is wrong. But people, let me tell you something, man. There's a thing called trend. And there they do a video, I say trend. Artists set the trend. Celebrities set the trend. Everybody knows so them set the trend. The white man they know so them set the trend. But let me tell you something about going in the black community. Let me tell you something about going in the black community. We see that in America, we see that spread of Jamaica now. When the Jamaican artists them get out on the mainstream of the world and the white man start handle them, and the white man money start spend. Let me tell you something. There's a campaign out there for tear down the black community. I tell you, it's planned and arranged from a long time in every angle. It's systematic racism. It's written to get a car, to get a house. So when police will lock you up, a different thing. So when you believe say they not try to tear down black people, you know, you're a white man, they say that they don't have to give black man gun no more. They don't have to shoot black man themselves no more. Just give us gun and we kill ourselves. Why can you believe them they say that? Because we're stupid. We're stupid. We destroy our own self. And we take money just like the crackhead. Just like the crack dealer. Then the crack dealer with the man who make the crack, you know, they're not coming back to the community to sell it. They're not. Where the place where the cocaine grew up. You know, see all them people at liquor store corner, in their gas station corner, I sell us no dope. It's us black people. Same thing with the music. We take money from some other people and destroy our own kind. And destroy our own music. Must see what I want. And that they want people. I saw they want to look nasty, degrading, dirty with black people. Just mash down the black kind. People don't know what people. Racism coming all different form, people. Systematic, it coming all different form. And the fight and the beat about black people coming all different form, people. Even when you get a house, people. Even insurance for no car, people. Borderlines are drawn, people. Depend on where you live, people. You understand me? We learn those things. So even at the music, look at the black rap music up and so. Look at the rap stars, you see, reach up enough of them. And the one who are sing the most nastiest sin thing. You don't even want to run a picnic them. And them a star, and them get highlighted. Why? We make the black people think about gun, think about gang, think about drugs, think about sex, think about all this nonsense, and keep it among us. And if you don't have somebody who's smart like Lady Saw come out and say, "No, stop!" And that's how we're gonna go. I have some people with not the morals. Come and beat up Lady Saw. I say, where you used to do that? The woman have remorse. Who better come out and tell us sorry? Not do that. I see one of the gun artists them come out to mash up Jamaica with the gun music. We come out and have remorse too. And the same way more the gun artists them come out and say when do that to stop singing gun songs. I was wrong. Ladies are come out and she have remorse. So she felt nasty. Eh? And me soon I beat up the woman. And morals do not have no morality. No morality. What kind of music are we listening to? Right now, when I hear about a Jamaican female artist that come somewhere, expect some sexual stuff. Expect some blue movie. Expect some porn. Is that the music gone to? And that the music gone to? Every time a female artist come there, has sex and wind up and show on their grind and showing up on the vagina. And what kind of thing that? We not cheap out the thing. Too much mango up on the market. Too much mango is on the market. We not cheap it out. That's why respect is not there for women anymore. We not cheap it out. Too much goddamn mango up on the market. Market fluxy. Mango fluxy and cheap. Just turn over the market. Play like a market basket. Half a market. Play when market done and broke up and too much mango in their basket. Just dash away and take over and go back a yard. And so they cheap out the thing. When I talk about no respect for woman I get raped and picnic I get raped and all type of stuff I go on boy and them the thing when I support. Fireborn phone up. Fix up on yourself, female. Fix up on yourself. The male them see you with a gun, appear gun and sex. You know what? You know what I'm with? Jamaica music need regulation. We need regulation. Music need regulation at Jamaica. So when we come out dance or something, we don't want to come on no sex show family. We don't have to come on no audio sex. Because me want me youth them listen to me and have sex. Them can't hear me. Me know if I play a blue movie in my room and me pick them and listen that I go on, them can't hear me. So why the youth them are exposed to hearing a song singing nothing about sex? We need the music to be regulated in Jamaica. If that's where we go, we need the regulation. Who is looking out for the kids them? We're going down and weird them man as black people. We are idiots or something. And that they want the black people to look like. If you don't understand, I saw they want to look. I'm say that they want. Boy, I'm so happy right that they hand around it. And that they want out of me. I saw they want to look. I saw they want to look ranchy and nasty. I saw they want to sing about gun. People, I've noticed these songs are not blocked on Facebook and all this stuff, you know, people. Eh? If you say something and do something up and some people then block you. You have to be careful what you write on Facebook and Facebook will block you. You have to be careful what you comment. They will block you. YouTube shut you down. But make a black man sing a song about murdering somebody. See what happen about there. Make them sing about nastiest nothing. See what happen about if them block it. Still out there in the black community. You just think we must not pay attention to what going on among us. When I hear that or what? And we take money for destroy our own damn self like we have no sense. We say we are destroy ourselves just like how the man take the coke and the crack from some other people and bring it back into the community among the black people. Sell it in the liquor store car and the gas station. Sell it in the community, the crack houses. Mash up your own community just because of money. Same thing I go under the music. Give them enough money, man. Yeah, man, tell us something. Yeah, man, tell me suck out this and suck out that. That's what I want, man. Yeah, man, that's sell. Suck out this and suck out that, man. Yeah, man, come stab me this and this down in my throat and that. Yeah, man, come put in my hole and all them. Yeah, man, that's sell, man. Degrade in the black community and don't even know. Mash up the black community and don't even know. We do the drunk music. The move from around us up. Nasty chicken head music. And that's all you got. Sex cheap. Pum cheap. You get pum and dime a dozen anyway. We not cheap out the pum. When man love so much. We not cheap out the scratches thing. I'm gonna tell you the goddamn truth, woman. We not cheap out the twin on the leg. Nowadays when man see woman, them sick don't turn up no more. Because we see so goddamn much. We not cheap it out. I wanna do. We not cheap it out. First time before we could have seen woman leg, you know. We used to see below, up over woman knee, you know. It's when a woman expose himself to you. And the most beautiful thing in the world, you know. You couldn't see more than a woman knee, you know, brother. And nowadays, me I see hand on the grind, down in the butt crack, me I see the plumbers crack. All of a sudden you can't find clothes to put on and cover up. Nasty looking. Eh? As females, as a female artist, and that's not tell little young girl them come to. Eh? When me say, if you ever show now I hear some Jamaican female artists that come there, expect some sexual thing, expect the blue movie, expect the chicken head behavior, expect a sex dolly go come there. Sex dolly, and if I wanna pick the family. So what ladies are say, me agree with you, man. Morality over immorality. It's morality over immorality. Good over evil. And that me the pan. Tear down the music. Look how the reggae music gone. Look how dancehall gone. To the dogs to rotted. Every man on bus call. Music have to go in that category. Music need to be regulated. You need somebody to check why go on to Jamaica. When I look at youth and listen to bus call. You know, see the bus call go on to Jamaica. Artists set the trend. When artists said bleach, everybody goddamn bleach. That was trending in the music. When artists said clocks, everybody are clocks. That's trending in the music. No artist say kill, gonna bust. Killing is trending. That's why some people get killed. Celebrity don't know them role and the power them have. Them says sex in the music, dig up me this and dig up me that. Man have no respect for woman, no more. Man a grab off girl off a road and go rape girl. Brother, no respect. And them a thing I don't want. And this I don't want too. And them a thing I don't want. And this music. And this is the right thing to do. Is this the right thing to do? Is this thing right thing to do, family? Ladies is wrong or what? The woman do all of this nastiness. She says she's sorry she start this crap. She says she's sorry she start it. She having remorse. She changed her life now. She says she can't go look on the goddamn tape what she do. And she say all this and she come out and say someone who know that could dirty self. We don't have no morality. Now nothing about to herself. Immoral like hell. Immorality is wrong, family. Immorality is wrong. It's been nasty. It's been vulgar. It's been disrespectful. Thief. Killing people. Liar. All about sex. Everything wrong is immorality, family. Morality is good. Morality is good. It's right. So you have good over evil, right and wrong. So I want to beat up the woman. Mr. McLeod, ladies sir, come up. Mr. I want to do a video a long time, but Mr. Look at God, say no. I God push you out, ladies sir. God push you out. Thank you. You give me more fuel to the fire. Who best to come out, come tell us? Who best to come out, come tell us? That's why more the gun artists them come out and come do the same thing too. What if we have remorse? Cause the gun music them turn Jamaica. Same way. Listen now, every youth who want to turn artist now. Them not gonna write no good music no more. Just write about how you murder people and how you're the baddest killer. If a man say, boy, me gonna shoot up your yard, and next man say that not bad yet, me gonna wicked that song and that, me gonna shoot up the whole city. Then the next youth say, ain't that not bad yet, you not fool gunman. Me gonna shoot up the whole country. And the next man say, oh no idiot man. My gun gonna bomb up the globe. And I saw it that get wickeder, and the gun news can get wickeder. No man talk about sex. First time woman talk about sex. Man used to make you have to think in the movie. You them do about right certain way no more. There's a raw. Can't stop in that throat and stab you out and this and that. Where the goddamn regulation of the music there? Where the regulation of the music need to be regulated? And we mash up stuff. Is we make law change for us. We make law change. And when we do something wrong, I will see it destroy, it do something wrong, it commit certain crime, it take life or something. Then government come in and put law. And we mess up stuff. We have this free music and we have certain regulation. We lose, can't do any little thing. But so now go on with pure nastiness. Pure nastiness, someone who no girl now, no shame. Would like to do some of a daughter like that or a sister like that. No shame. Me that shame for those who have anybody related to me so, with all the word that come out of some of them out. What do I do oral sex? What am I do oral sex? Nobody need to hear that. Nobody need to hear that. Ain't nothing new about that. You don't want to go be lesbian and homosexual. Go do it in your yard. You don't have to come out with that. And expect the little youth them follow on family. On the nasty man. Somebody if you tell about to yourself, man. Some of the artists in Jamaica, the nasty artist, and the female artist. When you come out and think say a pure pum pum man want. Man, it disgusts me sometimes. It disgusts me. Every single from the pum pum jump out the road, but even step over it. I walk around it and take a different road, got me hard. Every single the pum pum jump out the road. But it nasty and disgusts me, man. You think a woman can't deal with me so nasty? That's disgusting. I pay sex in on the head. Pay sex. Every time we come perform, I pay sex. When I do bring condom come on the show. If I bring condom or what? If I bring rum and boom and condom, when I bring come on the show and I perform, Jamaican artists. Oh, if I bring that? Rum and boom and condom? Nasty, man. Fireburn for that. Big up, ladies, sir. Me glad you come out, come tell them, as an elder, you started it. She have remorse. She's sorry. She's sorry, person who created this. She's sorry. The woman is sorry. The woman is sorry, family. And the woman come out and talk, I'm so not beat her, be good look at dirty immoral self. Eh? Man, mash up the country, the Jamaica state. It's so Jamaica say, Jamaica know how weird, brother, like wrong is right and right is wrong. Me don't know how I go on out there. Wrong is right and right is wrong. Me country back way. Me can't believe some of the music when me hear come out of Jamaica, you know. The youth them not believe, the youth them when they talk about sexual stuff, they don't make you have to think. They might come to nasty, stabbing in your hole and this, and all the female they might come out too. What can I get? Cause dig out me this and dig out me that. On the way, when the music nasty, sick stomach, disgusting. Somebody need to start telling on the backside. We need a different category for blue movies. Blue music. Porn music need a different category, Jamaica government. Porn music need a different category, and gun music need a different category. We need regulation for the music out there. Expose me youth to some nasty sexual contents. I don't expose my youth to porn. Eh? Me don't listen, me don't watch porn, people, but if I have to listen to porn, me not gonna turn it up on me and expose me to them. Them can't even hear it. If I'm having sex in my room, me gonna be quiet as ever because me know me pick them hear all that. Me not expose me youth to that as a father. So why when I go down the road, I hear all type of nonsense I play? Dig out me this, dig out me that, come tear out me this. You don't go for your sound of nastiness. You don't move up. Them then the music, you don't mash up dance hall. Mash up dance hall. You do the dirty nastiness. You make Jamaica look worse than it is. It all add up to the crime. You saw it all work together. It camouflage right in, it just fit right into the crime and the corruption and the slime where go in the country and the raping and everything. What not do? It just fit right into that, not true? It just fit all together with the gun music, bus color. Don't fit all together. Music is powerful. Whatever artists say is gonna be trending. Artists are trendsetters. A lot of them are brand ambassadors. Companies know who to use when they want to send out certain things to us. Some messages subliminal. Some messages right in the face. These white men, whenever they want to put certain things and keep us down and oppress and make us look like a damn fool and monkey, then put money into certain things. They put money behind this. And black people come out here and give them what they want and cheer on the black community. Don't forget that Carlos tell that today. Don't forget that Carlos tell that today. Some people love to see this coming from the black race. They love it. They love when we come out and talk about crack. They love it when we come out and talk about bus skull. Them sitting there get banned on social media. And when me and you write a little comment, they get banned to backside. I mean, have to be careful on myself before them ban it. Eh? But all this music will say, bus skull. Comes dig out me this and dig out Jesus. And we as black people fall right tonight. Just like the goddamn cocaine when we grow up Colombia. Find it way right in the ghetto where it never grew in their country at all. Who bring it there? Not the Colombian. It's a black man. It's one of us. It's one of us always take up the doo-doo, our shoes heel, and trail it right among us. Stink up the whole black community. One of us all the time. And for me, I said today, I love you know. I love Lady Saw to come out with this. You don't have to be a Christian like Lady Saw family. You don't have to be, I see someone that said, yeah, Christian now, and love them. I say, you don't know yourself. And morals you don't have. And anybody that support these young ladies, the continue like that, they don't love them. They don't love them family. Listen to me. These female artists are not fool, you know. Let me tell you something now. You have to give it to them. These female artists is taught of this nastiness. They are not fool artists, people. They are very talented. They can write anything, people. They are, me say you have to give it to them. Very, very talented. All the female artists, very, very talented. Rotate them voice and the talent what God bless them with. Talking shit. Talking a pile of shit. Forgive me language. Something have to come out, people. Coming too hot. May better blow off. Maybe let out that. I'm not lie, sorry. People, talking a pile of nonsense. Talking a pile of nonsense. They are very talented. People, they are not kunomono. Them very talented. You have to give it to them. But them take them talent that God bless them with. Come out there, Satan. And some devil thing are going boy, you know. Some devil thing are going boy. And that's what I sell the youth them. Jamaica deserve better than that. Dance all where we come from deserve better than that. Dance all where we come from deserve better than that. Think I look a sound box me sleep on. Eh? Sure. Brother, I love you know. I just have to say this. Big up Lady Saw to come out come say this. You need the gun artists to come out come have remorse too. Can't the gun destroy the youth them. Turn the gun them and I youth them and I eat that. One time I see bounty killer come give a look a half remorse. Even if you come out here, come say, me sorry for this and that. A big man and big woman time now, brother. If you're wrong, brother. You just come out, come tell you it's a down this and down that, brother. The other day I see bounty killer do a look song with a look youth named Jashi. And a nonsense bounty killer do, brother. As a big artist, you should have gone back down there, so, brother. Step out of that dog shit, brother. What do I do? When I sit and affect the youth about killer, you may talk to. Some man are telling the truth, you know, come and free for talk. Come on, come say sorry, man. You come and give a look a half remorse there, me and listen, I say, yeah, killer so like he might grow. And then I see you gone with Jashi. God step in a dog dude again. You do a song with a young youth like that. You do something uplifting, brother. A song will live forever, brother. You do a song with a young artist like that. You do something that is going to live forever. Forever, brother. Because nonsense about gun. Jamaica don't want them a gun, brother. Jamaica don't want them a killing. Jamaica don't want them a gun. We don't want them a killing. We don't want them a sex. We don't want them a that. We don't want them on nakedness. We have to want raping and kidnapping, murder in the country. We don't need them more of that. Uplift the country now. We're not trendsetter. We're not role model. We're not brand ambassador. Anything we don't say sell. If we don't say gun, I pay a gun and sell off at Jamaica. We don't see it. You know so much gun out there. We don't say bus call. We don't say scholar bus out there. We don't say cut throat. We don't say throat and cut. The same thing when the government are trying to stop. It will not promoting on the music. Government has tried to stop man from burn down house and murder people. And that the man who promoting the music. Government has stopped man from cut off man throat and rape. And that the man who promoting the music. Government has stop scamming. And that the man promoting the music. Government has tried to stop bad boy to shoot off of them. And they promote it in the music and the videos. And then me write the law in the family. He said, if I didn't write the law, my country don't have no crap like this. So I put my foot down. You know what's gonna hurt the youth them? And I let it go. That's how the world is. Even over here, so the video game. You see the video game, I turn the youth them in certain things, you know. That's why I see the youth them take up our gun, go shoot up our school. Because every day them sit down and play the video game and I shoot, pay blood. And I make the video game more real. So the youth them shoot, no remorse. So that's why as a man do I look at youth something, so they take back gun, go shoot up the place. And the man who make these things, no sit wrong with it, you know. Grand Theft Auto, and they don't sit wrong with it, you know. The people who are put in power to stop these things, they don't see it in the family. And them see clear hurt the youth them. Clear as day like him, I tell you. All these things we hear man-made stuff I hurt us. Or we destroy us. Change, man. We're not good artists, man. Change, man. Ladies is right, man. We're not good artists, me say. No disrespect to none of honor. We're not good artists. You all I know. Well, ladies are talk, a good, excellent artist. We're not bad. We're not bad. Remember that. Remember me come talk about Spice. Remember said I know Spice a chat. Spice a chat from my head look like a kaya. Never put up on beer box. You think I know Spice a chat? I grab mic. You think enough man can chat like Spice? You think some boy can't go around Spice by stage? Or she chat like a man? Look here, man. Yo, the talent of God bless you with. Do something better with it, man. Do something better than under crutches. Come stab me. We're not cheap out sex. We're not cheap out the woman. That's why good woman can't get no good man nowadays, because when a good woman look on a good man and say, look here, this is how I want my life, and this is how I want a man if he stay home, you know, and a cheater, and this is what I want my life. He say, move from here. You just too much in yourself. You think you have this, I have that. He gone to the chicken head down the street or drop her in a second, and him not no, him not she don't hold him accountable for nothing. Just sex. Sex, man. Relationship not just stop. It's not about sex, man. If you meet somebody on the road, not about sex. Because they one at a time say, who not go sick? Him are sick or you go sick. Who not can have sex? Where you do? Leave him or her and go and find somebody who are giving you sex. Eh? And that's what I do. Everything's about sex, brother.